Howdy do, Frankenbeans. How's your day? How's your life? How's your entire experience as a human being now that you know that aliens are probably real? What weird times of distraction we're living in. That the government has a hearing where they say they have alien bodies in a warehouse somewhere, and people are like, huh. And then go to a Taylor Swift concert. I don't know, man. What I do know is that just as rare and just as beautiful is the Typewriter Series. Here is Typewriter Series number 425, and here's what your wee paper looks like. It's a little sliver of a paper for a little sliver of a poem. Let's read it. What an utter disgrace it would be to find something truly magic and spend any time at all pretending and trying to convince yourself it is all just an unbelievably orchestrated and beautifully choreographed illusion. Do not do the magic things in your life that disservice. Do not. Treat them as such. They deserve it. Do you know what we should do? We should make a volume of books that's the entire Typewriter Series, start to finish. If you would like that, leave a thumbs up in the comments. I love you.